Hello, so before selling your Nintendo Switch second generation, you have to actually start from backup any micro SD data manually. So you can simply do this by going into the system settings, go to the data management, and over here you can move everything into your micro SD card. So you can just move everything to micro SD card and the same for the screenshots, videos, stuff like this. When you do this, you have to remove the micro SD card from your Switch, and you can go to reset by going to the system settings. Over here, scroll all the way down. Now go to the data clear options, and now scroll again all the way down, and here go to restore factory settings. Click on the A, scroll all the way down, click next again. And now if you are sure that you really want to do this, you have to go for reset factory settings and wait until the process finished.